So within the login, some of the changes that you can do, like I said, I have an image that typically shows up at the top. But now I believe, yeah, now they have an option for a background image. There we go. So I could actually have a video. I'm not sure why I would do that, but I could have a video as my background to my login screen. Or more likely, what I would want to do is have a nice background image that, again, supports my branding and lets people know that they are in the right place. So login is an important one. Library is what your members, again, course students and members, see when they log in. So initially what happens is they land in their library where they can see a display of all the products that they own or have access to. But Kajabi has given us a bit more flexibility in this. We can now create an offer storefront so we could make recommendations. For example, if you own this course, you might be interested in this course. So here you can choose to select an offer for another course. You can also have multiple storefronts. You can see here we've got Collection A and Collection B. So once again, you can kind of customize it. If you are looking for content about building your list, here are the products that would be most helpful. If you're looking for content that is about yoga poses, yoga workouts, here are all the yoga workouts. So you can customize this storefront with the offers, perhaps based on somebody's interests. And just like our other pages using this theme, we can add additional content, text, 2-column text, forms, hero images, feature cards, opt-in forms, images. So you can customize this library just like you customize a landing page. So that's a really, I think that covers a lot of things that people wanted. There is also a store. Now, I don't know that a lot of Kajabi users use a store. It can be really effective, especially if you have a lot of maybe low-cost offers or free offers that people can opt in for. But you can actually just make a store with links to offers. So perhaps if you had a low-cost mini offer that was evergreen, that you had available all the time, if you had a particular ebook that was available all the time, you can build an actual store with a display of all those offers.